Hi, good morning to all the well-wishers of Richfield. Namaste. Today we are living in extraordinary times. The way we think, the way we work, the way we live our ordinary lives is all going to go for a change. In fact, it's a reset button for all of us in life. Taking care of ourselves, our immunity, and becoming more healthier and more safer is going to be the way of the world. At Richfield, over the last 35 years, we have constantly endeavored to give you the very best practices in hair and scalp care and bring about revolutionary techniques like the AnaGrow, the AnaGain, the Ice Cube technology, the AHI technology for the hair transplant, keeping the highest safety precautions and methods in the world. In fact, in today's world, the hair tissue mineral analysis, the HTMA as we call, will become an even more important tool to measure your health, because as we have always propagated, hair is not only your crowning glory, but your body's barometer, indicating good health or lack of it. The HTMA test tells us the intercellular nutritional status of your body, thereby providing a great tool for all of you to determine the state of your health. That is the beauty of hair and scalp care. As we enter the new world, the new millennium with the reset button, primarily safety is going to be the key word. Safety and survival. Be rest assured at Richfield, being the pioneers of trichology over the last 35 years, all necessary precautions have been taken to ensure that you have an absolute sanitized environment as far as all the clinics are concerned and as far as all the hair transplant centers are concerned.
At Richfield, necessary and safety measures includes certification of doctors on COVID awareness and well-trained staff, screening of all staff and visitors on arrival, sanitized clinics for your safety, travel history check of each and every visitors, all touch points sanitized frequently, disposable aprons to staff and patients, sterilization of equipments and accessories before and after every session, hand sanitizers easily accessible, digitalization of all communication to avoid paper handling, to provide touchless experience. Say at Richfield, Richfield के होते हुए कोई भी आपका बाल बांका नहीं कर सकता.
Welcome to Richfield. We look forward to a new era, a new world where safety and security are the prime motivation for visiting any house, any place, any workplace or any clinics across the world. We are committed to your safety. Your safety is our first priority, and that is the reason why we at Richfield have not been in a hurry to open all our clinics like everybody else has, right? We are trying to open the clinic on 1st of July and not 1st of June, because we understand the instances and the incidences of this virus may still be 2 weeks away from hitting the peak. Hence, my friend, there is no better way to tell you how much we care for your health, but in the way we have decided to open our clinics. So look forward to seeing you all from 1st of July. Thank you. We see you soon.